Feelings will last. Nakarelate pa kayo dyan? It was originally recorded by Miss Ledesma and Richard Han. Please welcome back Team Pavino together with our final guest, Asia's songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez of Pastor.
When everything is calm, I'll hold you in my arms, and you'll just know it. I don't know what's come over me. You came into my life too fast. I just know deep within me, this feeling's gonna last forever and ever. We'll be together. Just open up your heart, and maybe we can start forever. I don't know what's come over me. You came into my life too fast. I just know deep within me, this feeling's gonna last forever and ever. We'll be together. Miss Regine Velasquez.
Thank you very much for singing with me. Thank you. Hello.
Hi, Regine.
Grabe yung sinundan ko si Kuya Desma. Alam mo ba, idol ko yun? Bata pa lang ako. Oo nga, 2 years old pa lang ako, idol ko na si Kuya Desma. Tsaka yung naaalala ko, si Kuya Desma na siya. Alam mo yun, yung sikat na agad. Pero 25 years old lang po siya. You know, I never had a privilege to sing an original song written by Cecile Azarcon. But I did have the wonderful opportunity to sing one of your masterpieces. And is it okay if I sing it tonight?
Of course.
I hope I'm able to sing it properly because the songwriter is here. Thank you very much for your beautiful music, yung contribution niyo sa OPM. And I pray and I hope that you continue to create more songs. Ladies and gentlemen, the music of Cecile Azarcon. Ang lahat sa akin, kahit ika'y wala sa aking piling. Isang magandang alaala, isang me.